Magnetism. In today's lesson, we'll learn about magnetism. Introduction. The phenomenon of magnetism was known to the Greeks as early as around 800 BCE. They discovered that certain stones, now called magnetite, attract pieces of iron. The Chinese called it the lodestone, that is, the leading stone. These are some pictures that show the structure of the lodestone. Shapes of magnets. There are many shapes of magnets, like the bar magnet. It is in the form of a rectangular bar. The horseshoe magnet. It is in form of the letter U. There are many more shapes of magnets. This is a picture that shows different shapes of magnets. Magnetic and non-magnetic materials. The materials which are attracted by magnets are called magnetic materials, and the materials which are not attracted by magnets are called non-magnetic materials. Examples are iron, cobalt, nickel, steel, etc. This picture shows different examples of magnetic materials like a nickel knife, a cobalt coin, a steel spoon, an iron nail, and a steel paper clip. Poles of a magnet. The ends of magnets where maximum fillings get clung, that is, the attraction is the strongest, are known as poles. The two poles are called North Pole and South Pole. Both poles are equally strong. This image shows the magnetic field of a magnet. Characteristics. Two magnets interact. If you take two magnets and try to push them together, they will either attract or repel. Opposites attract and likes repel. Split a magnet in two. Magnet will have two poles even if you split them. This image shows two people holding two magnets and how the magnets are strong enough to pull the people together. That means the magnet's attraction is pulling them together. Uses of magnets. In our daily life, magnets are used in magnetic chessboards and in cupboards. Magnets are also used in medical field, that is called magnetic therapy, and in credit cards also. These images show different uses of magnets. This is a paper clip holder which holds paper clips made out of magnetic materials. This is a camera lens which also uses magnets. This is a compass which also uses magnets. This is a headphone. It also uses magnets. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Meet you in the next video.